Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to set download location in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can go to the Chrome browser on your device. Well, after that, here you can click three dots or menu button at the top right corner. Okay, after that, you can select download, and then you can click settings icon here. Okay, and then activate the second option to manage download location in every downloading file in Chrome on your device. But if you want to recover it to the default settings, you can also turn it off like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set download location in Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.